Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to discuss the basic information about electron. First of all, discovery of electron has been done by J.J. Thomson in 1897. Definition of electron. Electron is a kind of subatomic fundamental particle that exists in all matter and act as a primary carrier of electricity in solid as well as liquids. It means electron is a fundamental particle that exists in every matter, because every matter consists of atom and molecules, and electrons are also present in valence shells of every atom and molecules. Mass of electron. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, which is approximately considered as 0. The charge on electron is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Representation of electron is represented as E0 minus 1. 0 represent the mass and minus 1 represent the charge on electron. Beta particle. Electron act as a beta particle when it is emitted by a certain radioactive element. Either this radioactive element is natural or artificial, and this radioactive element emit electron from its nucleus. Cathode rays. Electron move in the form of cathode rays when it is emitted by electrical heating process. For example, electrical heating of tungsten is done at 6 volt potential difference and 0.3 ampere current. So when electron move in the form of beam, move in the form of rays, then these moving electron are named as cathode rays. Chemical combination. Electron play a very important role in chemically combining certain atoms, metals and non-metal, and combining two non-metals. Ionic bond. In ionic bond, complete transfer of electron is done from one atom to another. So electron play a very important role from its complete transfer from one atom to another, and it helpful to create ionic bond between a metal and a non-metal. Covalent bond. Electron play a very important role between sharing and covalent bond formation between non-metals like carbon-carbon bonding, hydrogen-hydrogen bonding, nitrogen-nitrogen bonding, and formation of hydrocarbons. Negative nature. Two experiments prove the negative nature of electron. One is movement in electric field. When electron beam move in electric field, it bend toward positive plate, and when electron move in magnetic field, it bend toward north pole. These experiments prove the negative nature of electron. Thank you for this basic information about electron, and subscribe my channel for more videos.